Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website, which is www.gigabyte.com. This is official website, so you can download the driver of any Gigabyte devices. After that you can see this is search box, so just click and then enter your model number of your motherboard Z790S DDR4, then hit enter. And then click on this. Then click on support. Then select your operating system which is you required and using, so Windows 10 and 11. So if you are use any, okay, so installations process same. LAN driver, so Realtek LAN driver, and click to download. You can see it is start downloading. So it is done, already downloaded. You can see 10.2, and just open and double click to exe. Now click to yes. Now LAN driver installing. So it is a close automatically, means this is installed.